I am boxing up and shipping out this set of custom chaser taillights. These are obviously for the JZX100, and we did an Illumisthetic kit in the taillights. These are completely plug and play using the OEM connector. That's my favorite kind of build to do so that the customer doesn't have to run any power to the battery. These are the functions of the taillight. Brake. Turn. Turn's got to be my favorite. Park. Okay, maybe park is my favorite. And reverse. So I'm boxing them up now with a set of load resistors so that they don't hyper flash.